Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to activate your Stash Stockback card so you can start earning stock rewards on your everyday purchases. First, open the Stash app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Stockback card section, which is usually found under the Card or Wallet tab. Next, you will see an option to activate your card. Tap on Activate Card to begin the activation process. You may be asked to verify your identity by confirming some personal information to ensure security. After verifying, the app will guide you through linking your card to your bank account if it is not already linked. This step is necessary for managing your funds and earning stockback rewards. Once the card is linked and activated, you can start using it to make purchases. Every qualifying purchase will earn you fractional shares of stock as rewards, which will be credited to your Stash account. If you encounter any issues during activation, you can contact Stash customer support directly through the app or their website for assistance. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.